Hello everyone, we are the student from Department of Zoology, MSc first semester. Name of the students: Sweta Raj, Arpita Dora, Nikita Anjali, Jyotsna Maravi, Urvashi Singh Kuswaha. We are representing a documentary on the topic electrocardiogram.
Every second, somewhere in the world, a human heart is being examined, not through surgery, not through scan, but through a simple line drawn on paper, a line that reveals rhythm, life, and warning signs. This line is known as electrocardiogram or ECG.
So here's the question arises that what is ECG? The electrocardiogram is one of the most important and widely used tests in medical science. It records the electrical activity of the heart. Every heartbeat begins with an electrical impulse and the ECG captures this impulse as waves. So now let's understand the working of ECG. The process is quite simple. Small metal plates called electrodes are placed on the patient's chest, arms and legs. These electrodes detect tiny electrical signals from the heart. A machine records them, printing a pattern of spikes and dips on a graph sheet.
These patterns are not random, they are the coded language of heart.
Now let's see the visual representation of waves.
Each cardiac cycle produces three distinct ECG waves that are P wave, QRS complex, and T waves. The first wave, called the P wave, is a small upward deflection on the ECG which represents arterial depolarization leading to arterial contraction. The second wave, called the QRS complex, indicates the onset of contraction of ventricle. It represents rapid ventricular depolarization as the action potential spread into the ventricle. The Q wave is the first downward negative deflection after P wave. The R wave is the first upward positive deflection after Q wave. The S wave is the first downward negative deflection after the R wave. The third wave, called the T wave, indicates ventricular repolarization and occurs just as the ventricles are starting to relax. The T wave is smaller and wider than the QRS complex because repolarization occurs more slowly than depolarization. There are some more important segments are like PR segment and TS segment and some more interval like PR, QRS and QT interval. Interval is 0.16 second includes the P wave and PR segment. The PR segment represents the time taken by AV node to conduct the impulse. The PR interval shorten at the high rate and increase at low heart rate. The ST segment represents the time gap between depolarization and repolarization in the ventricle. The segment lies between QRS and T. The QT interval is measured from the beginning of the QRS complex to the end of the T wave and represent the time between activation of electrical activity in the ventricle and the return to the resting state. This is one heartbeat equal to one PQRST wave in the electrocardiogram.
See why is ECG important.
An ECG is important because it's a quick, non invasive test to check the heart's electrical activity, which helps doctors detect heart conditions like arrhythmias, heart attacks, or heart disease. It can assess overall heart health, monitor existing conditions, evaluate effectiveness, and guide treatment decisions. Early detection. An ECG can reveal heart problems like irregular heartbeat or signs of a past heart attack even before symptoms appear. Assessment. It provides crucial information about the heart's function, rhythm size, and shape. Monitoring. It allows doctors to track the progress of heart conditions and see if the treatments like medications or pacemaker are working effectively. Guidance. The result helps doctors decide on the most appropriate treatment plan for a patient. Emergency tool. In emergency situation, a rapid ECG can be life-saving by quickly identifying the cause of chest pain or other symptoms.
Let's understand the impact of ECG.
The real impact of an electrocardiogram is its ability to rapidly, non invasively, and cost effectively diagnose and monitor a wide range of life threatening heart conditions, thereby enabling timely treatment and significantly improving patient outcomes. Key impacts: rapid diagnosis of emergencies, guiding treatment decision, monitoring and management, early detection, accessibility, and innovation.
Now let's understand the modern technology of ECG.
ECG has evolved from bulky machine to portable pocket device, and now even smartwatches that record heart rhythm from a fingertip. Technology is bringing heart care closer to home.
The electrocardiogram is not just a test, it is the voice of heart, speaking to doctors every beat at time. ECG early detection save lives. Thank you.